Okay, well, I knew that turn was gonna be bad. I even said that turn was gonna be bad. And I still took it like a dum-dum. Lesson learned. Lesson learned. Sick. Sick. Whoa! Oh, that's sick. Holy shit.
Oh my god.
Dude, this is awesome. This is better than the other one. I can't believe I'm going to say this. What's up? I think he got MVP this trip.
What?
I don't know. I said Dory.
Is it two? Aren't we going to call him?
Dory got MVP.
Well, alright. Well, human-wise, though. Dory always has MVP when she comes.
I don't know. Why did he get it? Because
I mean,
he got you on stock?
well, he's been doing all the hard lines. Every single hard line he's done except for the mud hole that I got stuck in.
Well, he would have.
Yeah.
After you.
Yeah. We still got another day or two. So, we'll see. He could fuck up by then. Back up. Whoa, this looks fun. Gonna drop in the rear. You're on a stump. Hold that line, you're good. Yeah, I know. Turn your wheel that way though. You're gonna drop right here. Yeah, you're. Hold on. Let me take a picture.
And we were worried. I'm almost like up and down.
Yeah, your film's not gonna do justice.
Where are we going? Down?
Yeah. Okay, so where the trail comes out, we're actually supposed to go backwards down the road and it reconnects with where we came in at. Apparently part of the section is closed. It happens. That's why we have maps. We will route ourselves back around in hopes of finding a campsite before it closes.
Bunch of crap on my windshield.
Ooh, is it bright? Beautiful up here though.
I'm gonna run as fast as I can. Now put this past behind me and be a man. I'm kicking off all these boots I'm wearing. Living right now, sweating the small stuff. This time, put it all aside, and yes, I've got my bearings. I'm in it for the timing, I'm in it for the fun, I'm in it for the long nights and the whiskey that makes me come undone. I'm in it for the loving, for your smile, oh, for the time of my life, you know that it's all worthwhile. Yeah.
Well,
Trying to get a girlfriend.
maybe.
All the way over here in Arkansas.
I think this is the winner,
Oh yeah.
and we're far enough back. We just gotta find wood.
Catch me out here with my boys, not giving a damn about the world. Understand I'm living the dream and making my own choice.
We got beachfront property. This is real hard to walk in. It's all sand. I think this is our winner.
Yeah.
We just,
more secluded too.
yeah.
It's a little bit more in style. So
This is OHV side. That's why there's that trail that goes over there with the speed limit. That's for side-by-sides and quads. That's why when you enter the park, it says no OHV or whatever.
oh, okay.